कांटरोट स्थित एसएस चिल्ड्रन एकेडमी में कक्षा नर्सरी से कक्षा 3 तक के विद्यार्थियों का वार्षिक परीक्षा परिणाम घोषित किया गया। इस अवसर पर विद्यालय में रंगारंग कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें बड़ी संख्या में अभिभावकों ने भी भाग लिया। कार्यक्रम के दौरान प्रथम, द्वितीय और तृतीय स्थान प्राप्त करने वाले विद्यार्थियों को रिपोर्ट कार्ड और पुरस्कार देकर सम्मानित किया गया। बच्चों की उपलब्धियों पर अभिभावकों ने प्रसन्नता व्यक्त की और उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना की। इस अवसर पर विद्यालय के प्रशासक डॉक्टर अनिल अग्रवाल, एडवोकेट मैनेजर सुनील अग्रवाल, प्रधानाचार्य डॉक्टर बबीता अग्रवाल, उप प्रधानाचार्य सुप्रिया अग्रवाल और एकेडमिक डायरेक्टर अपूर्व अग्रवाल उपस्थित रहे। सभी ने विद्यार्थियों को बधाई दी और उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की शुभकामनाएं दी। विद्यालय प्रशासन ने घोषणा की कि नए शैक्षणिक सत्र की तैयारियां पूरी हो चुकी हैं। प्रधानाचार्य डॉक्टर बबीता अग्रवाल ने कहा कि विद्यालय विद्यार्थियों के सर्वगीण विकास के लिए सतत प्रयासरत है और आने वाले सत्र में और बेहतर सुविधाएं उपलब्ध कराई जाएंगी। कार्यक्रम में शिक्षकों, अभिभावकों और विद्यार्थियों ने बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया। रंगारंग सांस्कृतिक प्रस्तुतियों ने समस्त वातावरण को उत्साहपूर्ण बना दिया। अभिभावकों ने विद्यालय की व्यवस्थाओं और शिक्षकों की मेहनत की सराहना की।
ठीक, थैंक यू।
3%. Shania with 9. All the parents behind are not looking excited. The graduation cap, the beauty. Our little munchkins are looking truly wonderful in these robes and the cap. The moments are beautifully being captured. It's truly said. Success is a journey. Each and every step counts. If today you're not standing on the stage, don't be disheartened. And Chahat Rana has secured third position with 99.61%. Give a warm round of applause for all of our meritorious students. It is well said that mindset, the third position. Very well done. Hard work always pays off. So keep striving.
Started feeling delighted to be here on the stage. First of all, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am for providing an opportunity to deliver a thank you poem in front of all. This poem is dedicated to all my teachers. So here it goes. Thank you. You taught me right and wrong. Thank you. Laughter was your song. Thank you. You built me inside out. Thank you. I never had a doubt. Thank you. Thank you. You helped me find my shine. Thank you. Everything's gonna be just fine. Thank you. You let me leave and be gone. Thank you for always leaving the light on. Thank you. You put me in first place. Thank you. That kept a smile on my face. Thank you for letting me be me. Thank you for saying choice free. Thank you for standing up when it's tough.
आने की हो आस पास कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ
Reflection and new beginnings. It's not just about marks and ranks, it's about growth, it's about learning and all the little achievements that shape our children's future. Today, I want to share some exciting transformations that are taking place here at SSCA for our little munchkins, especially for the pre-primary section. So we all know that every child is unique. Some love numbers, some love storytelling, some love drawing, painting, and some just love to observe and explore new things. So we are now moving beyond marks. It's not just marks, but we are moving beyond that. This year, we introduced Holistic Progress Card till class 2 that reflects child's creativity, literacy and language skills, and other social and ethical values. So dear parents, when you receive your child's report card today, celebrate their strength, celebrate their curiosity and their love for learning and not just the numbers on their academic report card. तो अगर बच्चों के रिपोर्ट कार्ड में 1-2 नंबर कट भी जाएं, तो don't crib about their poor performance. उन्हें बस हौसले की जरूरत होती है. थोड़ा सा हौसला देंगे तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा कर पाएंगे. So another big transformation that has taken place this year for the upcoming session in our school, our nursery, LKG and UKG classes have now been transformed into Balvatika 1, 2 and 3 in alignment with the National Curriculum Framework for the foundational stage. This means that what we knew for years as nursery, LKG and UKG will now be known as Balvatika 1, 2 and 3. But it is not just about the name. We have redesigned the classrooms as well as the curriculum for our students to make learning more playful, engaging and meaningful. We also no longer have sections like A, B, C. We now have a unique identity for each of the classes. So Balvatika 1 sections will now be called as Rose, Lily and Daisy. Balvatika 2 will be Ruby, Pearl and Jade, and Balvatika 3 will be Olive, Maple and Willow. These names symbolize growth, beauty and strength just like our little munchkins. So to make learning more interactive, we have now installed digital TVs in all the Balvatika classrooms, 1, 2 and 3, all of the classrooms. But dear parents, my request to all of you is that education is not just about what happens in school. It is the journey we take together, and your role at home is just important as ours in shaping our child's future. Last year we conducted so many activities to build confidence and creativity in the students. But we noticed that students had wonderful ideas, but they lacked props. They lacked the visual elements. So some of the students neither came with the props nor came well dressed according to the activities that were scheduled. Parents, we request you to prepare your children for such events. These activities help in personality development of the child that builds up confidence in your child. And be it public speaking, be it creative thinking, it will help shape the child's future. This year, we have even more exciting events lined up, so I request you to reduce your child's unnecessary screen time at home and increase storytelling, कोई भी नेगेटिव बातें ना करें बच्चों के सामने, टीचर्स को लेके या किसी भी व्यक्ति को लेके प्लीज कोई भी नेगेटिव बातें बच्चों के सामने ना करें, क्योंकि उसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत ज्यादा बच्चों पे पड़ता है। एंड to our dearest students, always be curious about things, always be kind to one another and never be afraid to make mistakes. कोई बात नहीं, आज फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड नहीं आए, कोई बात नहीं, but be an all-rounder. You should know everything. आपको सब करना आना चाहिए और आपको सब में अच्छा होना चाहिए. Be it dance, art and crafts. It's not necessary to just be good at academics. You should be knowing everything, but don't lose hope that you have not got a rank today. And once again, our heartiest congratulations to all our little munchkins and a heartfelt thank you to our dearmost parents for trusting us, for trusting SSCA for your child's brighter future.